Hey guys, Cody Baramani. Today, we're talking about Painless Performance and the wiring harnesses they have to offer. So right in front of us here, we have their universal fitment for a key and dash setup. But Painless offers a number of harnesses, both universal and make model specific. Even with certain make models, they actually have multiple versions, depending on whether you intend to upgrade the car or if you're just trying to do a numbers matching restoration, get everything back up and running. Now, Painless Performance, everything here, it's made in USA. So you're gonna get the highest quality available and excellent craftsmanship. They label all of their wiring, every foot, so you know where it's going, and you're not trying to chase this wire from the fuse block all the way to some tail light. Everything's set up, it's color coded, it's left long, and it's not terminated on these universal harnesses. So it's easy for you guys to get this thing into your car, get the fuse block mounted, and then start snaking these wires where they need to go. It's really simple, the way everything's broken down, what goes to the engine compartment, what goes to the front of the car, what stays in the interior, and what goes to the back of the car. They give you a really detailed instruction manual, which is excellent. It's very clear. They've got excellent color photographs in here, and it just really makes this project a lot easier, even if you don't know how to wire a car. In addition to that, they give you everything you need to get your headlights set up. They give you your flasher relay. They give you some connectors. They give you your alternator setup kit and your alternator wire. That's a nice value. This isn't the easiest wire to find. You can't get this at your typical local parts store, so it's good they get you set up there. Here at Eastwood, we also offer a number of crimp tools with our weather-tight crimp right connector kits, as well as just our standard solderless crimp connector kit. That tool is going to be an excellent complement to this wiring harness. So for any more information on what you see here, as well as our other products that we have available, visit eastwood.com.